sensor. So multimeter tester, so basic reading. Here is the assignment to perform. Safety check, calibration, checking polarity, continuity resistor, checking DC voltage, checking AC voltage, and checking capacitor. So first, on safety, so you need to put the probe correctly. So here is the positive and here is the negative, and check your wire if your digital tester is, analog multi-tester is old, and check here, so it is good. Next, in calibration, so if you calibrate a multi-tester, put in ×1. Make sure that the needle here is pointing 0, so, and check the continuity. It is not 0 on the right side, so put it in 0. So simply adjust here. Now, if you adjust it already in 0, it is now already calibrated. So next is checking polarity. So when you check polarity, so we have here dry cell battery 1.5 volts, so adjust it to 2.5. so connect the positive to positive side and negative side of the dry cell. So now if we have the reading, so it means we have the correct polarity. Next is in the checking resistance of a resistor. So black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. So bad boys rape our young girls, but Violeta willingly. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 1, 10s, 100, 10,000, and so on and so forth. So I have here a resistor. So the color of resistor is green, black, and brown. So we will put it in ×10. Just the same. So but it depends on you which you will have to adjust. So we look at the reading. So it is in 50 ohms times 10. So 50 times 10 equals 500. So we will check here if our reading is correct. So 5 is green, the color of resistor is green, so 5. Then black is 0, so the multiplier is brown, so 10 times 10 equals 500. So we have read correctly. So next is checking continuity. So checking continuity ×1. Then checking continuity used for wires. So example, if you want to find another end of wire, so look at the needle. And continuity used for the fuses. So fuses have no polarity, simply connect it. So look at the needle, the same reaction with the wires. So next is the checking DC voltage. We have a dry cell 1.5 battery. So when you checking DC voltage, so we have 1.5, so we'll adjust the multimeter to 2.5. Then connect it in the right positive charge in the dry cell battery, and negative side is black. So we have a reading of 1.5 volts. So do not if you connect it in this way, in the reverse, so the negative probe to positive of the dry cell, so don't hold it long because it may damage your multi-tester. Look at the needle, avoid it. So next is checking capacitor. So I will put it in times 1K. So I have here a 16 volts and 10 UF capacitor. So first discharge it. Discharge. Next, connect it. Capacitor had no polarity, so it bounced back and that. Look at the needle, slowly moving, and when we connect it reverse, or it goes up and down, then back to its original. So if the moving of the needle is that when you check capacitor, the capacitor is good, but when the needle is up, going up and down, and then go back to original and then go down slowly, the capacitor is leak. Lastly is checking AC voltage. So keep safe in handling it when you check AC. So in checking AC, so first adjust in the higher value in the multitester. So the probe is moving, so it's around 240 or 235. We'll adjust it in 250 because we know that it is lower than 250. So 248 or 235 to 240. So that is the reading.